Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how I got nearly 400 subscribers in only 1 month. If you are watching this video, you are someone like me who used to think how hard it is to get subscribers on YouTube. So today I'm going to give you 5 tips, 5 things you're going to keep in mind before making a YouTube video or a channel is: do not buy the subscribers. Buying the subscribers would not help. Second thing, you got to be consistent. Keep posting the videos regularly, at least 2 videos per week, and you should be good. Third thing is, stay within your niche. Do not post content which is not related to your channel or which does not relate to your other videos. So just post the relevant content. Fourth one is, use a good mic and a good camera. And the last one is, you got to be patient. You got to work hard to get there. So without wasting any time, let's get into the videos and I'll show you how I got nearly 400 subscribers. But if you are watching this video, do help me as well. Click the subscribe button and let's see how the videos went. So my first video I posted was on 27th of September 2021. If we look here, I got 44 subscribers out of it. I got 37 hours of watch time, 838 views. And after posting few videos, first one was 27th of September, then 29th of September, 30th of September. Then another video I posted on 1st of October. It got more than 1,000 views. And for me at that time, that was really awesome, because 1,000 views for me, oh my god, never thought about it. So this video gave me 35 subscribers, 40 hours of watch time and 1.1k views. But after that, there was another video which I posted on 4th of October. There you go. It got 1.3k views, gave me 48 subscribers, 35 hours of watch time. But then on 30th, I posted a video about one of the cryptocurrencies, and this one got nearly 7,000 views and 238 likes. And this video was kind of a game changer for me at that time. 230 hours of watch time and 186 subscribers, 6.9k views. So guys, when you make, you never know what's gonna take off, and you gotta keep working hard. So that was kind of my 8th or 9th video where I got nearly 250 subscribers. So next video after that was nearly 2,000 views on that as well. So there you go, have a look at this, 53 subscribers, 49, nearly 50 hours of watch time. So guys, it's all good. One of the least views is this one. Keep working hard, stay within your niche, and you'll be fine. So my first video posted was 27th of September 2021, and 29th of October 2021 was my last video for this channel. That was just an experiment, so I stopped it straight away. Within 1 month, 12 videos, and 12 videos gave me 400 subscribers. So again guys, remember this 5 things you got to keep in mind while making a channel and posting the video. Do not buy the subscribers. Be consistent, be relevant to the content and the topic. So just post the relevant content within your niche. Use good camera and mic, and the last one is be patient. Wait for the time, and the time will come and you will get there. Alright, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and do like the video, and I will bring you more videos about the YouTube journey. And if you have any queries, leave a comment and I will try and make a video on that as well. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great one. You guys are awesome. Cheers. Bye bye.